because I was going to go get it. Yeah. Yeah, we don't have to do it.
Emailed me about the calculator. Did you find it?
Yep.
You did? Okay.
I don't think it's quantitative analysis and science.
So that's totally different. Yeah, but other than that, that's perfect. I did contact so you probably want to check with me about like no, I'm not yours. So you want to be Okay, sure. Okay, so I did contact Professor Peltis, and because I was a little confused that she didn't assign any homework on Le Chatelier. And so I would say she didn't assign any homework on it, but you still need to know it. What she did, which I finally figured out, is she went through, so you don't even know what I'm talking about. What she did is she went through the learning objectives, and she just pulled out all of the book problems from the learning objectives, and I guess she neglected to talk about Le Chatelier. So I think what we'll do is we'll go over a couple of problems from the learning objectives today. It's pretty straightforward, but I just wanted to point out that there were 4 problems that she didn't assign that you might want to take a look at. I feel like I'm the bearer of that. So these are the learning objectives. What you can do, if you look through the homework assignment, you can see where it says homework problems. So these are some of the homework problems. And then once you go through, if you go through the whole document, you can see that there's homework problems in various places. There's one homework problem. And these were the homework problems that she did not assign. So I'm going to say that you need to understand the material, and it's entirely up to you how much you want to go through that. But page 692, problem 63, 65, 67, 69. And what we'll do after we cover Le Chatelier is go through something that's in the learning objectives, which should give you an idea of what you have to do. It's a little bit more conceptual. It's one of the more conceptual things as opposed to quantitative things in this class. But once we go through it, it should make a little bit more sense. Okay, so we covered most of chapter 14, with the exception of Le Chatelier. Okay. So, Le Chatelier, at the time that he came up with this concept or this principle, it was probably rather earth-shattering, but I mean, from my standpoint, it seems rather common sense. What he said is that if you're already at equilibrium and you change something about your system, you change the temperature, you change the pressure, you change the concentration, you're going to shift so you can go back to equilibrium. Nature just really likes to be at equilibrium. I mean, we always try to get there. Sometimes we're kinetically limited, but really this is Le Chatelier's principle. If you're at equilibrium and you change something, your system will shift to counteract that change and then approach equilibrium again. Okay? I know some people are writing, so I'm going to wait. Okay. And these, I think, are his exact words. If a system at equilibrium